Good morning, everybody. This morning we're gonna do something completely different. It's my first time doing it. We're gonna do kitchen handles. So we're gonna talk about what tools you need from my own experience to change the cabinet handles quick, easy, and professional. The first one, of course, you're gonna need a drill with a drill bit. The second tool, screwdriver. You're gonna need one of these too. Makes your job a lot easier. Tape measure. And go to Lowe's or Home Depot, buy one of these. Make sure it's the right size. See how the kitchen handle is so big? It has to be the right size. Because if it's not, if you buy the wrong size, you're gonna be like me. That's the bottom hole. It doesn't fit. So you can't measure anything with a small one. You have to make sure it's the right size for your handle. Okay? And that's it. This is all you need. It's easy and straightforward. Let's do it. No handles. Handles. No handles. These little knobs. Handle. So basically, I'm giving you the visual of what this looks like with and without handles. The most important thing that I found out is one of these. What this does, lines up the holes for you. Let's say the right and the left. And then you can line up the holes and drill them. That way everything matches. If you don't have this, go to Home Depot, go to Lowe's, get one. It will save you a lot of time, trust me. Now the important thing is, they have them in different sizes, so you have to be careful, because the first one I got, it was the wrong size. See how this is too big for it? It wouldn't fit, so I had to go get one that fits. Now they have another one. This is for the bottom. See how that is? This is for the bottom. You center it, you put it in the center, you drill the holes. Makes it really, really simple. So you take one of these again, just like that. You pick a hole that you like, the bottom, top. You're gonna mark it. Make sure everything matches. Now you got your two holes. Now you know. See that? You got your two holes. Now you know exactly where to drill. I'm gonna double check before I do anything. That's it. Now, the second part, keep the door away. Keep it open, keep the door open so you don't drill into something else in there. 2. Get the screw, put it in from the back. It's going to come out on the other side, okay? Put the handle to it. Okay, once it's about 90% in, I'm going to stop because I want to be able to move this handle and hook it up top. Same thing, tighten it up from the back. Tighten up the bottom one. And that is it, man. That's how you do that. That's how easy that is. See that? Takes about a minute. So the way we do the bottoms, you have to measure it, and then you take this and then you take this after you measure it, you're gonna center it and put it in the center, and then we're gonna mark the holes. Okay, that looks good. Now you're gonna drill them. Need them. They have to come out on the other side. See how thick it is? It's double. This is what it looks like when it's all done.